Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think it looks like a big A, B, and most likely a C correction. Now, we definitely did respect these Fibonacci levels. We made a nice impulsive move down. We even got a little bit of a break of structure, even though it is kind of rejecting that structure. Looking at this monthly candle right here, this most recent one, which is going to end today, it's actually starting to look more and more like that is going to turn into a bullish candle, and this may actually end up going up more before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame, head down to the dollar index. Now on the dollar index, I still think this first move down is a one. I still think this is most likely an AB. Now looking at these last couple weeks, it's actually starting to think more and more that this is actually going to make a move to the upside to make a bigger wave C, maybe all the way up to the 61.8 before it ends up continuing the downtrend. Now that definitely is a possibility. It isn't confirmed that it's going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C yet, but it is definitely a possibility that we need to keep in mind. So let's head down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, nice and positive move to the downside. I'm still calling this possibly a 1. Now the thing is, this move up is looking way too strong to be a correction to the move down. Like I said, I'm starting to wonder if it's just going to keep on going up. And luckily, we're looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways right now. So if it does just keep on trending up, that really isn't going to affect us in any way. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, which is actually a little bit clearer on the DXY for once, I think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it still looks like possibly an A, still looks like possibly a B, and it still looks like this move up possibly could be a wave C. Now if it makes an impulsive move down, breaks structure, that's going to tell us that it is an ABC and that it's going back down. On the other hand, like I was just showing, if it does go up, then it probably will bounce off some fib levels, but it will not break structure. It'll just keep making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, which like I said, for us really isn't going to matter much, because if it doesn't break structure to the downside, then we will just continue to look for longs on shorter time frames anyways. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs on the dollar. Really the most recent structure level is way down here, so I don't even think this uptrend is over. I would expect it to go up to at least a 61.8. Then we're going to have to see what it does at that level, but right now I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend until we get some sort of confirmation on like the medium range time frames, like the 4 hour and up, that the ABC correction is over. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.